New stylish crochet pattern, beautiful idea, and latest colorful rainbow shape, and clutch elegant and perfect formal event function, and stylish design like stylish pattern handbags and colorful bags use a stitch pattern with different color for a trendy, eye-catching look. And transformation between shadows of a single colors for a subtle and stylish gradient effect. And beautiful ideas. Here are some creative crochet handbags ideas to inspire your next project. And the patchwork combine different crochet stitches, each with a unique pattern or color, to create a patchwork style handbags. And the rainbow crossbody use bright colors to create a trendy crossbody bag that adds a pop of color to any outfit. And geometric shape bags experiment with geometric shapes like triangle or diamond to craft a modern and artistic handbags. And your crochet handbags